AI is a broad term that applies to many types of computer systems and software, all working together to help devices think more like humans do. AI-powered robots seem like something out of science fiction. They can walk and talk, see and hear the world around them just as we do. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss how AI impacts our everyday lives. Before that, we invite you to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of our future videos. They're also becoming more popular in our homes. Devices like vacuum cleaners and personal robot helpers are already available on the market. Driverless cars are being tested by several major automakers. Intelligent assistance is making its way into phones, and chatbots now provide customer service for some of our favorite brands. The term artificial intelligence often brings to mind images of robots and androids, like those depicted in popular culture. They may understand the language, they may possess emotions, and perhaps most famously, they may look like humans. But do not think like us. AI is the technology that enables devices to think and act like humans, while human intelligence can be difficult to define. Most would agree that it is a function of our brains that defines who we are as individuals. As such, there is no single algorithm or rule set that defines intelligence. Imagine if Siri were able to learn about how you work and what your interests are. You could ask her to recommend restaurants during business trips or play music at a party. We currently need humans to complete today's modern AI. Drawing inspiration from an idea proposed by researchers at Dartmouth College decades ago, there are significant differences between their research and contemporary systems like deep learning, which use algorithms instead of simple neural nets. Today's AI, both narrow AI and general AI, is used throughout the world. However, there is one more AI that we will cover later in this video. Narrow AI is implemented in everyday devices like smartphones, televisions, thermostats, cars, virtual assistants like Siri or Cortana, smart speakers like Alexa, drones, intelligent lighting systems, and manufacturing robots. General artificial intelligence, or what some consider strong AI, exists primarily in lab settings for proof-of-concept demonstrations that show what's possible. It is often difficult to justify why these systems should cost millions of dollars when it can be demonstrated that they can't think for themselves yet. Although, this type of project isn't always commercially viable at this time due to a lack of funding or market opportunities. Projects like DeepMind's AlphaGo, which beat the world's best Go player, could pave the way for similar accomplishments in other games or knowledge-intensive tasks that may one day translate into improved real-world applications. As mentioned before in this video, technologists often say AI began with the first computer algorithm designed to solve a specific task, and most would pinpoint 1956 as the birth of artificial intelligence. This was when a young researcher named John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence at a conference at Dartmouth College and proposed what we now know as strong AI, machines that think like humans. From here, we see how advancements were made thanks to researchers like Claude Shannon, who defined an algorithmic method of representing information called Boolean logic that laid the foundation for modern computing. Then, John McCarthy was responsible for developing the field of artificial intelligence as we know it today through his development of AI programs during the 1950s and 1960s. Still, there have been some notable milestones throughout history. There are several major areas where AI has evolved to accomplish tasks previously requiring human involvement. These include robotics, computer vision, natural language processing, and machine learning. The earliest robots were used in factories with repetitive tasks, such as welding or painting. They could perform these jobs faster than humans but couldn't respond to changes in their environment. Researchers began developing intelligent machines in the 60s by creating robotic arms that could perform basic pick and place tasks in manufacturing facilities. Because these systems could perform basic physical tasks, they soon made their way out of factories and into a wider range of applications over the past few decades, including healthcare, education, entertainment, and more. The earliest machine vision technologies relied on pre-made algorithms for detecting edges in an image to determine where objects begin and end. But this wasn't enough to enable object recognition in real time. Researchers began developing neural networks to analyze visual information from digital images by emulating how neurons communicate with each other in the brain. Invented by Yann LeCun, one of Facebook's AI chief scientists, today convolutional neural networks have been responsible for major advancements in computer vision. In recent years, researchers figured out how to train these systems on large datasets, and this emerging technology is now making its way into consumer-ready applications like Siri's visual searches that can identify physical objects in images. For example, Facebook's image recognition enhances user experiences, and Snapchat lenses allow you to overlay interactive graphics onto your face using augmented reality. All of this wouldn't be possible without the advancement of deep learning, an advanced form of machine intelligence that uses multiple layers of neural networks to detect lower-level patterns in an image and gradually build up to identifying higher-level concepts. The final major area where AI has evolved is machine learning, the ability for machines to improve their capabilities through experience. Before deep learning, researchers mostly used machine learning to train AI systems on large datasets with strictly labeled data, which is still an essential part of AI development. Today, once deep learning was introduced in the AND #3990s, researchers were able to apply it to text, images, audio, video, and other forms of unstructured content that were believed too complex for traditional ML techniques. This allowed them to create more powerful ML algorithms capable of processing larger amounts of data fed into neural networks with hidden layers between input and output nodes. The latest example of ML advancements can be seen in driverless cars being developed by Google's Waymo division, which is already navigating public roads in Arizona and California without human assistance. Google researchers have spent years developing machine learning algorithms that can identify moving objects like pedestrians or other vehicles, or obstacles in the road, by combing through enormous datasets of recorded images taken from cameras mounted on top of driverless cars. The intelligence behind these advanced ML systems allows self-driving cars to better detect objects using visual sensors without human input. We're also seeing AI used to augment humans by enabling computers to learn from their users over time through the implementation of deep learning and machine learning algorithms. In this developmental phase, AI is left alone to improve its capabilities autonomously and communicate with one another without human input, letting them collaborate as humans do. By delivering this new phase in automation technology, we'll see an explosion in AI innovation driven by increased computing power and better algorithms designed specifically for these types of systems. As the future is here, the potential benefits of AI are endless. Manufacturers can create smarter appliances, smart factories, and automated warehouses, which can all communicate with one another seamlessly in real time. This type of technology could save the manufacturing industry billions of dollars a year. It would also see smaller companies benefit from increased productivity and efficiency, as they wouldn't require as many employees to perform their daily tasks. In terms of healthcare, we're already seeing how AI can be used to help diagnose cancers or other serious diseases by processing large amounts of data, such as patients' medical records and test results. This frees up doctors to spend more time on direct patient care instead of doing paperwork. As much as artificial intelligence, AI is software that enables devices to think and act like humans. AI can give computers the power of human perception as well as help them with problem solving, monitor gases like methane in the air, and be used to recognize faces in photos. AI is most often associated with robotics, computer vision, big data analytics, advanced algorithms, and autonomous cars. Smart technologies like AI have transformed our lives. However, they can also bring new problems, like robots that don't serve human purposes. Like it or not, AI is here and is here to stay. Now you are all caught up. We hope now you have an idea about how AI impacts our everyday lives. You are warmly invited to argue your thoughts regarding our explanation in the comments section below. If you find this video useful and helpful for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech explorers. Until next time, keep exploring and keep updated on the ever-evolving technology.